So that's the truck. I'm gonna try and put a piece of wood like those. 1, 2, 3 rows. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 or 3 rows. And then my second layer will go the same way. That's the plan. That's the plan for the roof. He said scrub it, clean it with a mineral, then glue it and brace it up there for a couple days. So that's gonna be my first step. We back. Bracing the roof. We're gonna do a before and after test on this roof, on the roof. 1/2-inch thick MDF panel. I would recommend Birch because MDF, you know, it gets flaky. We're gonna brace it up with some 8 time. Part 2 coming later. Part 2. Had to shim it up a little bit. Had to shim it up sometime. You know, you push the arches of the roof out. The roof got a little curve to it. Big difference. It's a little softer back here, but we're gonna fix that with the next layer. Alright, so from across the truck is 51, but the wood comes at 49 inches. I still got some gap right there, some of them. Like that's a gap that I'm gonna have to worry about. I can't go to the edge because the brace overlaps. So I can't tuck it in the front and in the rear. I gotta worry about the side insulation and gaps like that. That's a big gap right there. It's not gonna be nothing touching the wood for a while. So, issue.